If your diesel tractor cranks but refuses to start in cold weather, don't blame the engine just yet. In winter, most starting problems come from three simple things. First, a weak battery. Cold temperatures reduce battery power by almost 30%. So even if it sounds like it's cranking, it may not have enough strength to fire the injectors. Second bad are failing glow plugs. If they're not heating properly, diesel fuel won't ignite in cold air. And third, thick fuel or air in the fuel line. Gelled diesel or a small air leak can stop fuel from reaching the injectors. So before you replace expensive parts, check the battery voltage, test the glow plugs, and inspect the fuel system. Save your money, fix the basics first.